Assalamualaikum, good day. Today I'm going to perform the assessing the integumentary. The definition of this assessment of the integumentary, it refers to the examination of the hair, skin, and nails to evaluate the overall health and detect abnormalities. The purpose is to assess the health and integrity of the skin, to detect any sign of condition, abnormal condition, to identify systematic condition and the manipulated. The equipment needed is the glove, pen light and flashlight or flashlight, and the tip of swing and magnifying glass. The consideration of this assessment is the patient comfort, history of trauma, and environmental structure and systematic condition. And the things the document is the skin, color, skin integrity, hair, and nails.
First, I'm going to ensure the strong of the light. And then I'm going to inspect and palpate the skin. To palpate the skin through and gently pulling the skin to determine the texture, moisture, and hydration. And next, to measure the circumstances of the stimuli, millimeter tape by usual. Then examine the all nails, both hand and feet. And note the shape and contour.